So, hey everybody, I'm here again with another amazing business professional, Kurt, who's a good buddy of mine and also a fellow guitar player and singer in a band, so we have a lot in common. But he's with Suburban Custom Builders, and he was our speaker today at our B&I meeting. Kurt, would you please share what you shared with us today?
So I work a lot of insurance claims in my industry, and due to storm damage and things along these lines, many times the insurance company comes through and they want a short pay. They don't pay completely how they should be. They miss a lot of things. They do all this. It's a lot of work, a lot of extra effort on our end, which we go that mile to turn a $7,000 claim into a $90,000 claim, for instance. I just had one approved that came through as a $7,200 approval for roof repairs, siding repair, and a few downspouts. And I just got it approved after a 4-month battle. At no extra charge to the homeowner, by the way, on my end, for a full roof replacement, full siding, full gutters, and the garage door.
So I wanted to have Kurt come on today, and thanks to Kurt for taking the time.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, no, you're good. And one of the things that both of us do is we are business owners who care about our clients. We work for our clients, not for the insurance company. And we're both doing the same thing, getting thousands and thousands of dollars more for our clients so they get good repairs for their homes and safe repairs for their vehicles. So Kurt, thanks for taking the time. And for all you out there, be safe. And you've got trusted professionals like us who are on your side.